I want to try out the jack. This trail I haven't been back for a long time, since last year, and I don't know how it looks now. Looks like it looks groomed, but I want to check it out because I haven't been back here. So it's a blue technical trail, so let's check it out. Alright, some big rocks here. Ooh. Alright, rock rolls. Alright, berm. As I said, I haven't been back here for a long time, so not sure what to expect here because I forgot how this thing looks like. Whew, gnarly. Alright, it looks clean. Oh wow. Chunky. Wow. Those are chunky. Woo. Alright. Hi there. Thank you. Alright, let's see. Okay. Oh shoot. Whoa. That was high. Oh no. Oh shoot. Wow. I forgot about this place. This is so gnarly. More sharp rocks. Woo! The jack. All right. I missed that for a while. Woo. All right. Wow. Now this time we're gonna do Crapchute. Crapchute. All right. All right, short. I didn't have that much speed, so it's fine. Totally understand. All right, they cleaned it up too. So this is the Crapchute and the hip jump. All right, taking it easy right now. Chunky. All right, so this is the step up. I'm not gonna hit it. I know I'm not gonna make it, so I'm just gonna roll it. And oh, I didn't make it. Not even pedaling. All right, and then, oh, wait, I don't know if it says trail closed, but it looks open. So this is the lower ripper. Gnarly. Lower river is done. Nice. Alright. Alright, so the pit is closed right now. There goes my chance in trying it out. today at least. And ended up in the progression. Phew.